Hello friends, my name is Aro. Today I am going to demonstrate my home automation project which is based on IoT. I have two LEDs over here. This is a 12 volt RGB LED and this is a 12 volt white LED. The three main components of this projects are the step down converter, ESP-32 Dev module and the relay module. I'm gonna control these two LEDs with this app over here. It has 3 sliders and 1 button. This button is for the white LED and the 3 sliders are for the RGB LED. I'll show you the demonstration. So here when I click the button, the white LED glows and I'll off it. Now I'm gonna use the sliders to on the RGB LED. Over here is red color, green, blue, and with this light I can make more colors. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Learn to Code with Aro. Bye.